Accounting for Partnership Firm Fundamentals, Lecture 11. After partner's capital account, the second important aspect that requires your attention is remuneration or commission given to a partner. We have already studied that it appears on the credit side of partner's capital account. How to calculate it? Remuneration or commission given to a partner is generally set as a percentage of profit generated by the firm. Here I would ask you to recapitulate what you learned in class 11 after allowing such commission and before allowing such commission. If it is saying certain percentage commission is certain percentage of net profit before charging such commission. Do you people remember what we did in class 11 before? Before. What you did then? Before, Befikar. You just have to do net profit into rate upon 100. But if it is says certain percentage of net profit after charging such commission, A for after, A for after, what you have to do in this case? Net profit multiply by rate upon 100 plus a rate. If you look carefully, this is exactly what you did in financial statement when you calculated manager's commission. In the exactly same manner it is done here also. Moving on to the next important point, third, interest on partner's capital. At times it is possible that partners are allowed a certain percentage, a certain interest at a certain rate. You have, what is important and to be kept in mind, that interest is always given on opening capital. Suppose it is given that A and B started business with capital 1 lakh each. It becomes very easy. For the whole year, for 12 months they had capital 1 lakh. Let us calculate A's interest on capital 1 lakh, and let us say rate they had fixed at the rate 10% per annum. So if it was for complete period of 12 months, it will be 10,000. But suppose there was additional capital during the year. Suppose I say A brought additional capital of 20,000 on 1st October 2019. That means besides this 1 lakh, he brought 20,000 more, and that too after 6 months of the starting of the accounting period. So what you will do? To this 10,000 you will add 10% of 20,000 for 6 months only, right? So that comes out to be 10,000. How much? 1,000. So the total interest given to him will be 11,000. Suppose there was a permanent withdrawal of capital. So whatever amount of capital is withdrawn, interest will not be allowed on that part of the capital from the date when the withdrawal was done, right?